Welcome to the Barcode Generator channel. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll unlock the full potential of the Barcode Generator plug-in for Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Learn how to create, customize, and integrate barcodes seamlessly into your design projects. Let's dive in. Greetings, fellow creators. Prepare to immerse yourself in the realm of barcode design with the versatile Barcode Generator plug-in. Through personalized dimensions, dynamic labels, and efficient bulk barcode creation, we'll help you become a barcode aficionado. Selecting barcode type. To start our journey, let's explore the plethora of barcode types at your fingertips. Choose from an array of options, including code 128, EN13, EN8, ITF, MSI, Pharmacode, and Codabar, to match your project's unique requirements. Tailoring barcode specifications. Our next step is precision customization. Delve into the world of width, height, display values, text alignment, position, margins, font size, and the interplay of background and line colors. Precision with Generate, Open, and Place. Let's take a closer look at the heartbeat of the process. The Generate button magically materializes your barcode. Open it directly in your chosen application or Place embedded within your active document. Exporting barcode masterpieces. Achieve ultimate control with your barcode outputs. Handpick your output destination using the Select button. Save your barcode marvels in various formats, including SVG, JPG, PNG, and WebP, using the Save function. Mastering bulk barcode generation. Empower yourself with efficiency through bulk barcode creation. We'll guide you through batch generating barcodes from a CSV file. Customize formats and output locations, and initiate the process with the Batch Generate command. Conclusion. A standing ovation for your barcode mastery. By now, you're not just creating barcodes, you're crafting artistic solutions with the Barcode Generator plug-in. Support us. Like, share, and subscribe. Feeling enlightened? A thumbs up fuels our creative fire. Don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Share this tutorial with fellow creators and hit that subscribe button for more enlightening tutorials and boundless creative inspiration.